Jay Blades announced at the start of the month that he had split from his wife Lisa Marie Zabozan after just 18 months of marriage. Jay Blades and his wife Lisa Marie Zabozan shocked fans earlier this month when they revealed their split. They both took some time away from their work commitments, but Lisa, 44, has now returned to work. In a live post on social media, Lisa donned a white sports bra with a matching jacket and some bright red leggings. Lisa looked stunning in the video as she got her followers to work up a sweat. The sports enthusiast was flooded with praise during the live as fans leapt to the comments section after seeing her recent post. Earlier this month, Lisa reflected on her split from Jay and said it was still really raw. She wrote, "I probably should be really angry, but I'm just incredibly sad about the whole thing right now. I don't think I've ever cried so much." She added that she was living in a spare room with just her essentials. Lisa signed off the post. "A very broken Lisa Marie." The pair tied the knot back in a stunning ceremony in 2022. They stood in front of 15 guests on a beach in Barbados, a year after he popped the question. After their split, Jay said that he was taking some time away from social media and TV appearances. News of his marriage split came to light just 2 days after he announced the death of his uncle Richard Brathwaite. A source has claimed that the BBC will allow Jay to take time off from the repair shop for as long as he needs. They told Mail Online. Jay is a much-loved member of the team on the repair shop. It is a really close-knit group, who are like a family. Jay will be given the time he needs to deal with things and sort out what he needs to get sorted. He's been through a really difficult time with his uncle and now he is having to deal with the breakdown of his marriage. The source went on to say that the BBC fully expect Jay to return but that they won't be rushing or pushing him to come back before he is ready.